Well, the Burano has been announced, and according to Sony, the Burano is the world's first digital cinema camera with a variable ND filter, along with in-body image stabilization in one body. So how this Burano is holding its place in the Cinealta series, and what values it brings to the cinema industry? Let's find out! Venice was launched in July 2017, making it 6 years old. Back then, Sony's professional division had the slogan "Beyond Definition." If you've been keeping an eye on the digital video camera market in the last year or so, you might have noticed two significant trends. One is the competition to achieve 8K video, and the other is a focus on mobile filmmaking. In February 2022, Venice 2 was introduced with an 8.6K sensor, bringing it up to date. This new Burano model is also following in the footsteps of its sibling Venice. It also utilizes the same renowned color science as Sony's Venice series and features an electronic variable ND filter ranging from 0.6 to 2.1, which is notably thinner than previous ND filters in Sony's cinema camera lineup. Another standout feature is its cache recording capability. The camera is versatile, capable of shooting in full-frame Super 35 and accommodating anamorphic D-squeeze in 8K 30p, 6K 60p, or 4K 120p, providing a wide range of options for filmmakers.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
There are several codec options available for the Burano too. Similar to the Venice 2, the Burano doesn't need an external AXSR7 recorder to capture X-OCN files. This functionality is now integrated into the camera's dual CF Express Type B card slots. While Sony had removed XAVC recording options from the Venice 2 8K, they have been reintroduced with the Burano. You have the choice between XAVC Intra or Long GOP, and you can use regular XAVC for recording in 4K DCI, UHD, or Full HD. The Burano camera, unlike the Venice 2 8K, does not offer any anamorphic recording options. It only allows for anamorphic D-squeeze viewing. While this may be anticipated for a high-priced camera like the Burano, Sony likely made this distinction to set the two series apart. Undoubtedly, the Burano camera is quite compact, and in terms of size, it's closer to an FX6 than a Venice 2. It weighs approximately 5 pounds without the PL mount. Despite its small size, it's heavier than something like an FX6 due to its magnesium chassis instead of a composite plastic shell. There are 8 assignable buttons on the camera body, with additional assignable buttons on the LCD and the optional hand grip. Because of its small size, you can use it in various settings, such as underwater housings, drones, and gimbals. Given its similar form factor to the FX6, many existing third-party accessories designed for the FX6 may also be compatible with the Burano. The Burano offers both autofocus and in-body image stabilization. Since the camera features 2 mounts, a native E-mount and a PL mount on top, the functionality will vary depending on which mount you use. The LCD screen is fully touch-capable, and the main operating page closely resembles that of the Venice 2. This allows you to make quick adjustments to key parameters. Overall, the design is user-friendly and made thoughtfully. Now, who would benefit from using this camera? Well, it offers filmmakers another valuable option to consider for their documentary or small crew productions. It weighs approximately 2/3 less than the Venice 2, providing increased mobility, all while coming in at a significantly lower price point of $25,000. However, there seems to be a disconnect between Sony's perspective and ours. Is it really worth investing over $30,000 in a camera that might have some compromises? When we look at the competition, there are used ARRI Alexa mini cameras available with 7,000 to 8,000 hours of usage, and they are being sold for $30,000 to $35,000. So ultimately, it'll all boil down to the performance and system support in the long time. However, Sony will keep everything smooth and provide more for the users in terms of usability. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and thanks for watching.